This is a lightning storm that's going on behind my house. You can see the window there is actually my house. And there's this crazy lightning storm going on over Hanakapiai on the north shore of Kauai tonight. It's a little windy here, and there's a marine warning. But it's silent, but you can see how crazy the lightning is. It's just like something out of Close Encounters of the Third Kind. I was watching this lightning storm all the way home, and you can't really see how dramatic it is because the Pali in Waimea is behind. It's happening on the other side, but just look at the frequency of the lightning strikes. That is really a storm. The mariner's warning said there was hail and for mariners to take shelter immediately. And you can see why.